Hello everyone! Today in this video we will see how you can offer bulk discount only for specific user roles using ELEX Dynamic Pricing plugin. So without further delay, let's see an example. If you have different types of users with different user roles, let's say customers and wholesalers, however, you only want to provide discount to wholesalers users. Let's quickly see how you can achieve it using ELEX Dynamic Pricing plugin. Once you installed the ELEX Dynamic Pricing plugin, go to Settings page and check if the rules are enabled. For this video we will be using Product Rule. In the next step, click on Discount Rules. When you land on the Rules page, click on Create My First Rule. In the Rule Setup page, provide the required data like offer name, rule applicable on products, check for minimum quantity, maximum quantity, discount type, and finally discount value. Also, go to Allowed Roles and Dates to assign the roles for which this rule will be applicable. In the last step, save the rule. Once the rule has been successfully created, go to the front end and log in as the role you had selected in the discount rule. Add the product to the cart and check the cart page. As you can see, the discount is getting applied when the required conditions are met. Hope you have understood the process of applying bulk discounts for a specific user role. If you have any queries, contact our support team by following the link provided in the description. See you in the next video, but don't forget to like and share.